Nothing is impossible for Allah. Nothing's impossible for Him. You ask Him, He will give you. And keep on asking Him and repeat it, and don't worry about saying it again and again and crying and asking. Don't lose hope. When the time is right, He will give it to you. And He is so merciful. He says, if I know in my knowledge that this is not good for you, I'll keep it away from you through my blessing. And if I know that something else is better for you, I'll give you the other thing through my blessing. So just trust me. Trust Him. What hasn't He given you? He's blessed you with so much.